Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is a relationship between marginal cost and average cost. In the earlier lecture, we learned what is marginal cost and what is average cost, and we came to conclusion that marginal cost and average cost both are U-shaped. Let's explain the relationship between marginal cost and average cost. First of all, let's show you diagrammatically the relationship between marginal cost and average cost. As you know that average cost curve is U-shaped. This is average cost curve. It is U-shaped, and marginal cost curve is also U-shaped. This is marginal cost curve. So let us explain the relationship between marginal cost and average cost. We will detect the relationship between marginal cost and average cost with the help of this diagram. Now look at the diagram. When average cost falls, marginal cost also falls. So we'll write here when AC falls, MC also falls. जब AC फॉल होता है तो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट भी फॉल होता है, लेकिन हाँ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट फॉल होता है at a faster speed than marginal average cost. But we will write here, but MC falls at a MC falls faster than AC. So जब AC फॉल होता है, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट फॉल होता है, तो एवरेज कॉस्ट भी फॉल होता है. लेकिन मार्जिनल कॉस्ट एवरेज कॉस्ट से ज्यादा मतलब जल्दी फॉल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू राइट हियर, फॉर सपोज दिस इज एवरेज कॉस्ट, दिस इज एवरेज कॉस्ट, and this is marginal cost here. So at this unit X, for example, unit OX, this is OC is marginal, this average cost, and OM is for suppose marginal cost. When the firm produces X1, for suppose X1, average, this is average cost, this is marginal cost M1, and this is average cost C1. So average cost follows. This is fall in average cost and this is fall in marginal cost. So fall in marginal cost is more than the average cost. So here simply we can say, in other words we can say, when slope of AC is less than 0. जब slope of AC less than 0 है, that means when the slope of AC is negative, marginal cost is greater than marginal cost is less than average cost. जब ये फॉल होते हैं मार्जिनल कॉस्ट एंड एवरेज कॉस्ट, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कम होता है एवरेज कॉस्ट से. सो वी विल राइट हियर दिस. एंड नेक्स्ट सेकंड इज व्हेन बोथ राइजेस. लेट्स लुक दिस पार्ट ऑफ द डायग्राम. व्हेन बोथ राइजेस एंड when AC rises, MC also rises. We will write here when AC rises, MC also rises. But MC rises at a faster speed than AC. But MC rises faster than AC. In other words, we can say when slope of AC is greater than 0, that means when the slope of AC is positive, here positive means upward sloping. When slope of AC is this, MC is greater than AC. Here MC becomes more than AC. Now this is the second point. And third is this MC marginal cost curve cuts the average cost curve from below, but it cuts it at a point when average cost remains constant. So we will write here when AC remains constant. जब AC कांस्टेंट रहता है, marginal cost is equal to average cost. So this is the third point here. When AC remains constant, MC becomes equal to AC. So MC, it cuts the average cost curve from below at this point. This is the point. This marginal cost, it helps us to determine the level of output, whereas average cost we will write here MC help us in determining the level of output. That means how much company should produce. It determines the level of output, but AC determines the level of profit. So this is the relationship between marginal cost and the average cost. Thank you very much.